Look, it's raining! Even though you probably can't see it through the screen. I want to be out there. But I'm in here with Julian, making cupcakes. Julian!
¿Qué pasó?
Say hi.
¿Qué pasó, gente? Hello. I don't know. Who am I saying hi to?
These are gringos. No, I'm saying. I don't know. I'm gonna put it in my vlog channel, so I don't know.
You blog now?
No, I vlog.
You've been blogging.
I've been vlogging.
Vlogging.
Yes.
Vlogging.
Video vlogging. But yeah, I'm just here. We're making cupcakes because we're awesome. Look at all those beautiful cupcakes. Look at them. And we're just waiting for the other cupcakes.
Batch.
The other, it's not a whole batch though.
There's 6. Half a dozen.
It's half a dozen. Half a dozen of cupcakes to be done.
Yeah, take the camera away from me. I hate being recorded.
He gets really uncomfortable being recorded. But look at it outside. It's so pretty. It's so pretty outside. I wish I could just steal the clouds and put them in my pocket.
That's not possible.
Oh really? Captain Obvious, because I thought I could seriously go steal a cloud and put it in my pocket. You've destroyed my dream. Thank you, dream murderer.
What?
Dream murderer. What did you hear?
I heard something.
What did you hear?
Just dreamer.
Dream murmur.
I was like, what?
Dream murmur. That does not sound healthy.
I thought you were going to say dream.
You are a dream killer. You are. You killed my dream of stealing a cloud and putting it in my pocket. It feels really nice outside.
Windy.
The rain stopped though.